UAE. Nigeria is doing a lot of shipment to UAE. And I don't think you should be surprised about that. I don't think you should be surprised about that. That Nigeria is doing a lot of shipment to UAE. I don't think you should be surprised about that $14 million. Water purifier. Use cooking oil. You're welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on DBA TV. My name is Dele Ayimibo, and thank you very much for stopping by. In this video, we'll be sharing again information around what you can export. So this video gives you idea about 5 major things. Number 1, what you can export abroad. Number 2, where you can export them to. Number 3, the product that have potential that Nigeria is producing. Number 4, the countries where you can seek for partners to be able to do business with them and export Nigerian products. And number 5, the products that are acceptable in different countries of the world which Nigeria currently exports to those areas. I will start today with Trinidad and Tobago. No much business with that country, just about $3,000. And the item being exported to that country is dark gray flute glass. And I noticed that majority of items Nigeria export to countries that are, small countries, particularly in Caribbean, this particular dark gray flute glass. In Tunisia also, Nigeria to Tunisia in Africa is very small, $376,000. Dark blue reflective glass again. This dark blue reflective glass is doing so much trade with different countries in the world. Dry split ginger, Nigeria raw cotton, and sesame seed. I think Nigerian government need to do something very serious about dark blue reflective glass. It seems as if there is a lot of demand around the world and the raw materials can be found in Nigeria. Hence, the reason why many buyers around the world are looking to Nigeria to buy, because we have zircon sand and the raw material to produce this product. $50 million. That's the Nigerian export to the next country I'll be talking about. Guess the country? Turkey. Nigeria do a lot of business with Turkey. $50 million from sesame seed. I know Nigeria do a lot of sesame seed to Turkey. And of course, ginger. Look at another product Nigeria exports to Turkey. Obsolete electronic product. Obsolete electronic product. Obsolete electronic product. Do you see something? Do you see an opportunity there? And it was $81,000. Obsolete electronic product. Meaning you can actually gather obsolete electronic product and ship them abroad to people that want to recycle them. Waste plastic lump. Waste plastic lump. Various kind of machineries. Unwashed flakes. Processed rubber. Soya beans. Now, soya beans is I've been noticing something around soya beans in recent time. Before now, we have not been doing well in soya beans, understandably so, because our prices were not so good. But I noticed in recent time, Nigeria has been able to do a lot well with soya beans. In fact, soya beans is not just one of the items being exported, and I've spoken about this for many years because I felt soya beans exports alone is more than the export of cocoa, cashew, ginger, sesame seed, gum arabic, all Nigerian commodity put together that we export. Soya beans market alone is bigger than all those markets put together. Soya beans market is almost 60 billion. And I was thinking, because we're not exporting it because we're not going to be competitive. But I noticed in recent time, we have not just been exporting soya beans, it's now among the top 10 agro export of Nigeria. And top 10 export in general, which is commendable. So you might want to consider soya beans. How about shea meal? That's the outcome of shea nut. Shea nut cake. Shea meal, shea nut cake. Sesame seed. Sanitary napkin. Rice bran meal. Remelted lead ingot. PET plastic. PET plastic flakes and PET plastic scrap. PET amorphous chips. Nigerian sesame seed, cocoa shell cake, whole soya beans, hibiscus flower, dry split ginger, clean sesame seed, premium clean hibiscus flour, natural sesame seed, natural rubber, Muffix again. Muffix diaper for newborn, Muffix diaper mini, midi, maxi, junior. Muffix, processed sesame, lead ingot, lead bullion, whole sesame seed, hibiscus flour, granite, peanut, granular urea. I think there's a huge opportunity for Nigeria to do business with this country called Turkey. A huge opportunity I can see. Good fermented sesame seed, obsolete electronic products, dry split ginger, hibiscus flour, the oil shea nut cake, dark bronze tinted glass, crushed plastic, dry hibiscus flour, and white ginger. There's a huge opportunity I can see right now within the space of Turkey, or within the market in Turkey. Nigeria also do a few transactions with Uganda. Very few, $478,000 export to Uganda. But when Nigeria export to Uganda is safeguard soap, and Odogwu bitters. Odogwu bitters. And safeguard soap. Safeguard soap is the major market. If you are looking for export to Uganda, safeguard soap is more than 90% of export to Uganda is various kind of safeguard soap. In spite of the issue in Ukraine, do you believe it? That Nigeria export to Ukraine last year, even though it's small, 290,000 is the export of Nigeria to Ukraine. Hibiscus flour, Nigerian dry split ginger, various kind of beverages, drink and foodstuffs, whole flavor. I don't know if some Nigerians are seeing in that country. It's still, I see some Nigerians are seeing Ukraine. Dry hibiscus flour, dark bronze tinted glass, reflective glass. Are people still building? Hibiscus flour, foodstuff, and beverages. UAE. Nigeria is doing a lot of shipment to UAE. And I don't think you should be surprised about that. That Nigeria is doing a lot of shipment to UAE. I don't think you should be surprised about that. $14 million. Water purifier. Used cooking oil. People that fry plantain, fry different things commercially in large quantity. I have a lot of waste cooking oil. Used cooking oil. Toothpaste. Raw materials. Toothpaste. In fact, toothpaste is over $100,000 toothpaste. If you are looking at what you can export to UAE, stone flour, sliced ginger, sesame seed, raw material, toothpaste, processed cashew kernel. Cashew kernel is a big deal to that country. If you have been to UAE before, you see the way they display it in some of the stores when you want to buy some of these nuts, different kind of nuts. Peanut, palm kernel shell, soya beans, sesame seed, ginger, various kind of Nigerian foodstuff and drinks, Malta Guinness, malt drink, different kind of drinks. Lobam gum, maltina, malt can, hibiscus flower, dry split ginger, clean sesame seed, black eye beans, black stone beans, cashew kernel, African cashew kernel. Cashew kernel is a major item you might want to consider if you are thinking of exporting to UAE. Cashew kernel is a major item you might want to consider if you are exporting to UAE. In the next video, I'll be talking about 2 countries I believe will be of interest to you. You know those 2 countries? United Kingdom and United States. If you want to know what Nigeria exports to United Kingdom and United States, join me in the next video. Join me in the next video. In the next episode and edition of this program, I'll be talking about what Nigeria exports to United Kingdom, what Nigeria exports to United States, to Uruguay, to Venezuela, and a couple of other countries. You want to know what Nigeria exports to United Kingdom and United States? Join me in the next video. I believe the video has been no benefits to you. If you like the video, click on the like button. If you have friends who you think will need this information, share with your friends. If you are stopping by for the first time, subscribe to this channel. And more importantly, click on that notification bell so you know when next we come on this show to share with you again other valuable trade information. My name is Dela, and I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out.